Today's Azek day on our Irvine job. Timmy, my boy Timmy's gonna meet me out there. Should go pretty seamless, and I think it's gonna look really nice. So I'm excited to show you guys. So let's go take a look. All right, guys. So here we go. Here's the pressure treated 2x4s as our base. All of our Milwaukee tools. We got this bad boy brand new. This miter saw. You'll see more of that later. And yeah, so I didn't get a ton of footage of this project, but I did get enough to just make sense of it. So we use the 2x4s as a base on top of the concrete. The bench is made of block and concrete. And we're using Tapcons to get the 2x4s attached to the concrete. And from there, we'll use Azek special screws, which you'll see later. It's a quick shot of the pool. Came out really nice. Very happy with it. One quick note on this. So here's the special TimberTech screw. Now that's countersunk, and then we'll put a cap on top of that later, which you'll also see. And here is the Milwaukee miter saw. This thing's awesome because it has an LED light instead of using a laser. So the shadow of the blade there you see on the wood, it gives you a perfect indicator of where your cut line is going to be. A little more progress being made with the fascia boards up front. And one quick note on the 2x4s underneath the Azek, we left small gaps in between, so water isn't going to get trapped under this, as some people commented on Instagram. We made sure to leave gaps. And here's the plug. This comes straight from Azek, so they send this to you along with the screws. And after you smash these guys in, it has a really nice seamless look. And that's really about it, guys. I know I didn't get a lot of shots of the cuts and different phases, but I did film it the best I could. Please like and subscribe. Till the next one, take care.